Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. As we know that we are doing chapter number 1, that is numeration. So today we will do rounding of the numbers. Okay? Our topic is rounding of the numbers. Rounding of the numbers. Children, let me tell you first what is rounding of the numbers. I have an example for this. Actually, if your mother is going to market and you just ordered or you just request her to bring some eatable things for you like chips, cold drink and some toys. Fine. And she want to purchase vegetables also. She want to purchase fruits also. And she wants to purchase household things. Right? Then she carried some amount with her. Fine. If suppose she is carrying 1000 rupees with her. Okay. But all the things is in between 978. Okay. जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं वो सारी 978 में आ गई हैं. But she carries 1000 because it's approximate. क्योंकि उनको लगा कि 1000 के अंदर सारा सामान आ जाएगा. She doesn't carry एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट. राइट. एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट नहीं लिया है कि इतने का ये आएगा. 200 के टॉयज़ आएंगे, 300 का वेजिटेबल्स आएगा, 500 के फ्रूट्स आएंगे. सी जस्ट कैरी an approximate amount. Fine. So this approximation is we can say that rounding of the numbers. Okay. And rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. ये हम करते हैं nearest 10 पे, nearest 100 पे and nearest 1000 पे. Fine. So let's take an example here. Let's take an example of 4-digit number. This is 2, 3, 9, 4. Fine. Here we have example. So whenever we have to round off this number in tens, 100 and 1000 place. Fine. So when we round off any number, we have two sets of number like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are smaller number comparison to these number. Fine. These are smaller. So whenever we round off any number, if the next digit is between 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so the number will be no change. Not change. So we will write here no change. Fine. And if the number is between 5 to 9, so we will just add 1 to the given number which we have to round off. Fine. So let me explain it here. Suppose this is our number. So first of all 2, 3, 9, 4. We have to round off the number in tens place. Fine. Round off the numbers in, first of all we will write here round off the numbers in tens place. Wait, we will write it to the nearest 10. A part, B part to the nearest 100 and C part to the nearest 1000. Okay. Rounding of the numbers. Fine. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 1000. So here is the number. So this number first we will round off to the nearest 10. This one. 2, 3, 9, 4. Now look at this number carefully. Here children, which digit is in tens place? So we will write its place value ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So first we have to round the number in tens place. So this number is in tens place. Now what we said earlier, just look at its next digit. So we will look at its ones place. जिस भी digit को हमें round off करना है, we have to round off this number. tens place को हमको round off करना है पहले. So we will look its next digit, its right side digit. So it is 4. Fine. Now children, 4 is smaller than 5. Now this side is coming. So it will 9 will not change. It will remain here. 9 change नहीं होगा. So we will write the whole number 2, 3 and 9 will be remain here. And 4 will convert into 0 because it is in 9 is in tens place. So the place value of 9 is 90. Whenever we round off any digit or any number, the next number will convert into 0. जब भी हम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं तो जो नेक्स्ट नंबर होता है वो 0 में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ओके, सो दिस इज पार्ट ए सॉल्व्ड. Now part B, we have to round off to the nearest 100. So 2, 3, 9, 4. Now look at here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this one is 100 place. 3 is in 100 place. Now look at its next place digit. This one, 9. Okay children, 9 is comes in the greater side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we will do, we will plus 1 to 3. We will plus 1 to this number. So it will become 2 as it is. We will write here. 3 will convert when we add 1. So it will become 4. And next 2 digit will convert into 0. So when we round off 2394, 2394 to the nearest 100, we get 2400. Fine. Now part C, 2394. Now which digit is in thousand place? This one, 2. 2 is in thousand place. Now we have to round off this number 2. So look at the next digit. This is 3. We know 3 is smaller side. So no change. This number with no change. So we will write this number as it is. And the next 3 digit will convert into 0. Okay. So it will become 2000. To the nearest 10, 2390. To the nearest 100, 2400. And to the nearest 1000, to the nearest 100, 2400. And to the 1000 place, 2394 will become 2000. Okay, understood everyone? Okay, let's take its exercise. This is exercise 1G and we will take question number 1. We have to round off to the nearest 10. Fine. Let me explain this on the number line. We have example here 62. Fine. And one more example we will take. This is 981. Okay. So here we have 62. So draw a number line like this. Mark 2 arrow. And this is 60. This is 70. Fine. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now between 60 and 70 we have 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay children. Now we have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So we have to round off this number because this is in tens place. Look at its next digit. This is 2. 2 is smaller So it is not greater than 5. So this number will not convert. This will be remain. 6 will be remain. And the next digit will convert 0 into 0. How? Look at the number on the number line. So here 60, here 70. 60 goes to the only two steps, 61 and 62. Okay, only two step, and here 62 goes to the 8th step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It goes to 8 step forward to reaching 70, and it's come back to 2 step back, comes to 60. So it is near to 60. 62 किसके ज़्यादा नज़दीक है, 60 के या 70 के? Yes, 60 के. Why? Because it's moved back only 2 step. वो 2 step में ही वापस आ जा रहा है, but 70 तक जाने के लिए उसे पूरे 8 step आगे जाना पड़ रहा है. So in this way you can easily round off the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, right? So here 981, very simple. So we have to round off this number 8 because it is in tens place. We have to round off nearest 10. Nearest 10, 10 nearest 100, this 100 nearest 1000, another 1000 we can take. So this one we have to round off. You can make a number line like 900 to 1000. Fine. 900 से 1000 के बीच में आपको नंबर लाइन बनानी है. ओके, सॉरी, 900 से 1000 के बीच में नहीं बनानी है, 980 टू 990 के बीच में आपको बनाने हैं, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टेंस प्लेस. सो वी विल ओनली चेंज दिस वन. हम अभी इधर नहीं देखेंगे तो हम 80 को देखेंगे. ओके, 81 को. सो 980 से 990 के बीच में आपको नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. सो हियर 981, 982, 983. This is 981. Now it clearly seen that 981 is near to 980. How? Because it is 1. So the number will not change. It will remain here 9, 8, and this digit convert into 0. Okay? Understood everyone? Let's take one more example of round off the numbers to the nearest 100 and 1000. Round off to the nearest 100 and 1000. Okay? So let's take the example. One example we will take only 5, 9, 2, 6, 7. So first we will round this number to the hundreds place. So look at here, in this number, which digit is in 100 place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, and this is 10,000. So this one, this 2, this is because this is in 100 place. So we will round off this number. So look at its next digit. Yes, 6. 6 is greater than 5. Okay, 6 is greater than 5. So easily we will plus 1 to this number. Okay. So rest of the number we will write as it is, 5, 9, and 2 plus 1, 3, and the next two digit will convert into 0. So the rounded of nearest 100 of this number is 59,267. So it will become 59,300. Now the same example, 5, 9, 2, 6, 7. So we have to round off in the thousands place. Here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This is 10,000. So we have to round off this number. Now look at this next number. This is 2. this is smaller than 5. 2 is smaller than 5. So the digit will not change, the number will not change. We will write the number as it is, 5, 9. And the next 3 digit will convert into 0. Okay. So it will become 59,000. Okay. Round it off to the nearest thousand. It will become 59,000. So children, in this way you can solve your exercise 1G here, which I have also given in your worksheet. Some questions I have solved there and some I have given as your homework. So you can easily solve the questions, rounded off the numbers to the nearest tens, 100 and 1000. Fine. Just look at the place value or places to the given number, then round off. Okay. See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.